In this video, we will discuss using implant workflows on the DS7 touchscreen. Workflows allow the user to use predetermined settings at different steps of the implant procedure. Begin by opening the app tray. Then select the implant app. Next, select the workflow menu. Here you can choose between favorited workflows, custom workflows, and a library of default workflows. To select a workflow, scroll to the desired group. And select the workflow. Use the star next to the workflow to add it to your favorites. Press the back arrow to return to the implant screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.